Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Samanullah and you are watching my YouTube channel aka Niazi. Here I would like to tell you guys that my all previous videos which I have made for you guys, that videos were just for intermediate or advanced learners. But this video is going to be so special for beginners. Those who are the beginners, this video is going to be so special for those guys. So I hope that you guys will learn a lot from this video. So don't skip this video and watch till the end. Here I would like to tell you guys about few steps that how can you improve your communication skills, how can you improve your English speaking. So here I would like to proceed ahead to our first step, that what is the first step to improve your speaking. So here I would like to tell you guys about the first step, that the first step is to improve your vocabulary. What is the first step? The first step is to improve your vocabulary. And now the question is that how can you improve your vocabulary? From where you can learn new vocabulary? Just imagine that you're at home, you're in your job workplace, you're in a restaurant, you're anywhere, you are in the university, you are anywhere. Just imagine, just think that you are at home and just look around yourself and note out new words and then try to use them in sentences. So this is the first step, that your vocabulary should be good. So for this purpose, the first step is that learn new vocabulary. And now here I would like to proceed ahead to the second step, that what is the second step? Here I would like to tell you guys that the second step is that improve your listenings. Why? When your listening qualities will be good, then in this way you can understand that what is the person who is in front within you, who is speaking to you, what he is saying, and then what will you reply him. So this is very important for you guys, that improve your listenings. And how can you improve your listening? This is the main question, that how can you improve your listening? You can improve your listenings by watching English movies, by listening English songs. But here I would like to suggest you guys that if you are a beginner, just watch simple English videos. And if you wanna listen audios, then here I would like to suggest you guys that listen English songs, audio songs, but simple English. And next here I would like to proceed ahead to the third one, that what is the third? Just improve your pronunciation. Okay, your vocabulary is good. If you just imagine that you can speak English and your vocabulary is good, you know each and everything, the meaning of every word. But I would like to tell you guys that if your listening ability is good, if you can understand things very well, if your vocabulary is good but your pronunciation is not well, your pronunciation, the person to whom you're speaking, they can't understand that what just you are saying, what is your meaning. So there will be a lot of difficulty for others. So improve your pronunciation also. Just focus on your pronunciation. Just think that your vocabulary should be good, your listening qualities should be good, your pronunciation should be good. And the next one, that grammar, just focus on grammar. Your grammar also should be good, that how to construct sentences. When your grammar will be good, there will be no problem for you that how to speak in English. When you know that how to construct new sentences easily, when you are speaking in English, you may easily construct new words and you can answer to anyone. And in the end, I would like to say that those who have still did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon button and switch it to all, so may all further upcoming videos first of all reach to you guys. Thank you.